and welcome back to another episode of Coding Wizards. Today, we will be looking at how you can make a colored background in HTML. So first of all, to start making color background, all colors and such are in CSS, which means we have to create style tags, preferably in the body area. So to create a style tag, just write a count mark here, type style, with a count mark, do the same, but except in this one, put a slash, and then style. So inside here is where all your style will go, inside this area. So, first of all, you might be wondering, well, what do we call on? Because we want to change the color of something, but we're not sure on which attribute to call on. So, as a test, we're going to call on HTML, which is this whole, which is all of this. So we're going to set the HTML, we're going to create these squiggly brackets, and we have what we can type as a style in the middle of here. We're going to write background color for the background color. And have this. There we go. And then in here we're going to put red. So now the background color is red because we put red. We can also, instead of HTML, we can write body, just stuff in here, and usually we want to use body instead. So for now, we're just going to use body. As you can see, we have red, we have blue, a bunch of other colors, but we can't really control what color we want while doing this. And just as a reference point, if I were to type blue and then I just add H1 tag for text, like you can see that the background is not actually just a big object, which is blue, it's actually behind everything. So when we type the H1 tag, it's not all the way down here. The whole background is literally just blue. So yes, hi here. We'll just keep that there for reference. So now we have the background colors to be blue. We can set maybe yellow, cyan, a bunch of other colors, but we really can't get the exact color we want. To get the exact color we want, we can do something called RGB. So RGB stands for red, which is the R, green, the G, and blue, the B. So it stands for the colors red, green, blue, because on a computer, all colors can be made out of red, green, and blue. So you put RGB, then we put brackets, and inside the first, we have to put 3 amounts. As you see, 0, 0, 0 give you black. The first amount will be the red, because red comes first. So we're going to put 90 red. It goes all the way up to about, I think, about 250, yeah. It goes to 250 is what the colors will go up to, just for reference. So yeah, so everything max is going to be white. So the first one is going to be red. So say we have 250 red, maximum red. We get this red color. That's all cool. The second one is going to be green. So if we have 250 green, it's going to be green. The same thing as it would be if we just type green. Light green, maybe. Anyway, there is a way you can get this color because it's just pure green. Actually, let me see. Probably lime. Yeah, lime. There we go. This is more of a lime color, but it is just pure green. And then the last one, of course, is going to be blue because blue is the last in the sequence. So 250. There we go. It's blue. If you go over like an insane amount like this, then it will just still be blue. Same color. And no, you cannot say like, okay, I want red, blue, green. It has to be red, green, blue. So you can't be like, I want red, blue, green. So this will be blue, and this will be green. You can't do that. It has to be in red, green, blue in that order. So that's all nice. But you're thinking, okay, well, not much we can do here compared to earlier, because we just have the few colors. Also, the reason you can't see the text here is because the text is also black on a black background, but as you can see, you can highlight it. So let's see, if we put like 10 red, so it's not very, well, it is dark because there's 2 zeros here. We can put like 40 green, we get this weird color here. Or we can put like 100 red, and we get this weird brownish color. As you can see, by manipulating these 3 colors, you can make just about any color you want, because there's 250 of each, and if we do the math, 250 times 250 times 250 is like a lot of combinations for you to be able to do. So that's cool. You can change it to a bunch of colors, and this is really useful. Of course, if we have more tags, you can see that they work as normal. They go under each other. What I'm trying to explain is that this piece of brown is not like a piece of text or image. It doesn't have a space on the page. It's like its position absolute, so it doesn't really exist anywhere, but you can see it because it's background color. So that's all cool. Of course, we can also change the color of these H1 tags. Now, as a little bonus, we're going to see how we can manipulate H1 tags that are false using background color. If we get an H1 tag, background color, and then we're going to go RGB. Of course, you can go like green, whatever color you want to use. You can see that, I'll just set it to pure red for now, so you can see. As you can see, the background of these text, which is exactly my highlight, is going to be red. So that's pretty nice. So if we go full screen, this looks all red, and as you can see, if you keep adding things, say we add like tons of these tags, you can see that even if we scroll down, the background will keep going because the background is the same for the whole entire page. So this looks pretty crazy just because there's a lot of tags. But yeah, this is mainly it. Of course, you can also color the H1 text, but I've already gone over that in one of my other videos. So this is really nice for making any web page. Of course, also, instead of body, you can use HTML, although you should probably use body because body is where all your elements are going to be. Head is where you set up all like your sources, like import stuff, and then body is where all your elements are going to be, like my H1 tags, my images. So you should probably put it in your body. You can also note that since we're calling on the body tag, it's not like an ID, because I can go like ID equals hi. And the ID of this one tag is hi, but to call in it, I would have to type dot hi. But since it's just body, no dot. Also same with H1, calling on all H1 tags. Anyway, this has been mainly using the background color function in CSS, but also being able to create colored backgrounds in HTML, as well as on text. Thank you.